How to fix the item that this shortcut refers to has been changed or moved in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, right-click on your display in your Windows. After you right-click, you'll find all these options. In here, click on New and then click on Shortcut. After you click on Shortcut, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply search for the file location or press on Browse. After you press on Browse, it will open different files. Select the file you want to add a shortcut and then press on OK. After you press on OK, press on Next. Press on Finish and shortcut will be added. This is how to fix the item that this shortcut refers to has been changed or moved in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.